Hey everyone, welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network, your go-to source for all things aircraft maintenance. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, NCATT, Aircraft Electronics Technician Certification, frequently asked questions. If you're looking to specialize and advance your career, get certified. Let's get started. Who is eligible to take the ASTM NCATT certification exams? The ASTM NCATT certification exams are open to all individuals regardless of age, career field, training, nationality, education, or experience. Where do I take an ASTM NCATT certification exam? To find a testing center near you, contact Credential Testing Services, CTS staff, to find out how to take an exam in your area. Remote proctoring is an option for taking these exams. A computer with a webcam and microphone is required. How much is the exam fee? See exam fee section from ASTM NCATT website, as fees vary depending on exam. How many times can I take the exam in order to pass? Well, there are no limitations on the number of times an individual may take an ASTM NCATT certification exam. However, just keep in mind that an exam fee is required for all retakes. Can I take any of the endorsements directly? You are expected to have successfully passed the AET certification before you're eligible to take any of these endorsements. What do I need to score in order to pass the AET certification exam? The passing score for the ASTM NCATT AET certification examination is 73%. When I pass the AET, how soon can I take an endorsement exam? You can take an endorsement as soon as you pass the AET. What happens if I score below the passing grade? In order to retake an exam, the test taker will have to pay another exam fee. How often must I renew my ASTM NCATT certifications? The ASTM NCATT certifications are to be renewed every 5 years. Can AET certification be used for repairman certification? Well, AET certification with an endorsement qualifies you for the FAA repairman certificate. Who is the Credential Testing Services, or CTS, contact staff? The Space Tech Partners, Inc. Certification Program Manager is Carolyn Parise, and she serves as the CTS contact staff. You can reach her by phone at 321-567-5193 or by email at carolynparise@spacetech.us. Who can administer ASTM NCATT exams? Testing centers with authorization from CTS headquarters. To become a Space Tech Partners, Inc. testing center, contact CTS staff directly. By becoming a SPI testing center, you will be able to administer ASTM NCATT exams at your school or facility, if approved. How does our center become an approved training provider? Space Tech Partners, Inc., SPI, is the administrator for all ASTM NCATT written exams through CTS, in addition to its other job-oriented knowledge and practical skills certification examinations. SPI also processes applications from schools and industry training providers for ASTM NCATT training provider approval. ASTM NCATT. Approved training providers are schools or training centers that are in a fixed location and offer training programs that meet and/or exceed the ASTM NCATT standards. These providers should have demonstrated a commitment to quality and must apply for approval and undergo an in-depth curriculum, facilities, and faculty evaluation in order to be considered an approved training provider. What is the cost of application for approved training provider? The application fee to become an ASTM NCATT approved training provider is $750. Approved training provider's curriculum is to be reviewed through a new application every 2 years, and the renewal application fee is $250. Thanks for tuning into this FAQ session about the NCATT AET certification. I hope this video answered your questions and provided valuable insights into what the certification entails. If you found this content helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.